Today we will be starting a new series about problem solving. Initially, we will be using Python to solve these problems in this series, but eventually we will use other programming languages as well. Become more and more experienced, you will understand that learning a language doesn't help very much until you know how to solve a problem, the code. So you have to understand that you have to develop your skills to solve problems rather than knowing every single feature of the programming language. That's why most of us are trained to do problems in paper rather than doing it on a computer. This showcases your thought process or approach to solving a problem because understanding the problem and coming up with a solution is more desirable than memorizing the concept. But always remember, without strong knowledge in the basics of programming, even if you know how to solve a problem, it can be tough to actually implement it. The desired skill set should be a combination of understanding the problem, language, and figuring out a solution. Once you get good at solving a problem, then language doesn't matter. You can learn any language. Basic understanding of syntax is a key, and problem solving is greater than memorizing the language. There are several steps involved in solving a problem. First one is to identify. Identify and understand the nature of the problem. It is very important to understand the problem. Only then you will be able to come up with a solution. The second step is research and refine. As we already said, internet is programmer's best friend. All you have to do is find out where to search and what to search. But remember, it is not about copy and paste from the internet. You have to understand what is going on and should come up with your own version that is optimal for your own job. The next one is pseudocode. Take a paper or a notepad and write down how you plan to implement the code. The idea is to focus on the logic rather than the syntax of the language. Fourth one is to implement. If we follow all the above steps, this is comparatively the easiest part. Always remember, completing the code and arriving at a solution is a collection of small steps in case of a big problem. Once you complete the prototype, which is not mostly the optimal way of arriving at a solution, you now know you have a solution and it's time to find out optimal way to arrive at the solution. The fifth one is practice. The last thing you have to remember is that problem solving comes with practice and that it is a skill that you never stop learning. So with this, we come to an end for intro to problem solving. Thank you for watching the video. Do like, share and subscribe to Supporting Tech.